Welcome guys to another trade breakdown video. Today we're going to review a trade on gold. We took this trade this morning at around 8:15ish, I guess. It was pretty early in our session, so always nice to end it with a nice gain. So let's walk through the trade together. So let's go to the chart. You see the chart over here? This is the daily time frame. A lot of people were looking at a bearish bias here because you had a weak bearish candle. But as you know, I'm big on my bias. I need a good bias for my price action trades. What I saw here was a bullish engulfing candle, pretty strong, and the next one was pretty weak. So I stick to my bullish bias. I also recognize that this area in here, right, was pretty messy, right? You can see it, right? It's pretty messy price action. But if I needed to make a decision, it would be bullish over bearish. So then we went to the lower time frames. 4-hour time frame. At the time, right, this is the 8 o'clock candle. It was pretty strong, right? It was still pushing up. So my thought was, if it's breaking previous highs, as it was at the time, it should continue up, right? It should continue up until, let's say, this resistance here, which did, by the way, after the fact. But that was the information we didn't know just yet. We just saw this candle here breaking previous highs, and that's what gave me the confidence to enter the trade. So 1-hour time frame as well. This is the candle, guys. This is the area we saw this morning. And after the fact, it's always easy to say, right? But I already shared my entry on Twitter. I call it lifetime on the trading floor for the members as well. What we see here, we see a structure. Boom, creating support, moving up from it, right? Strong bullish candle, weak bearish candle. Well, a small bearish candle, let's put it that way. And again, another bullish engulfing candle. So what happened here? This is the 8 o'clock candle where we took the trade. We retested that area in here, trying to push up once more. That's what we saw at the time, once more. Again, bullish for me. So I went to the even lower time frames, going to the 30-minute. And what I saw in the 30-minute was, again, support being formed, right, early in the morning in Asia session. Then we tried to move up, did not work, bullish engulfing, and here we are, the 8 o'clock candle. So what I liked about this trade, we moved a little bit up and then decided to come down and break previous lows. In my opinion, it's just to fill this gap over here, right? This gap here, there's a gap between the bearish candle and the bullish candle. So that gap needs to be filled. It got filled and grabbed more liquidity by doing that for another push to the upside. So my entry was right here. Boom. I decided when price came up, I talked the guys through it on stream as well, that we should be able to push up now. Only problem is you can't have a risk management over here because you should place the trade on the bottom of the wick, in my opinion. So what happened here? Boom, we pushed up, hit our 1-to-1 actually at around the next resistance level. And afterwards got out of break even for a nice nifty 0.8% gain. Pretty quick trade, was over in like, what was it? I think 5 to 6 minutes. So we locked in that game and got out of break even, and then we could call the day. We didn't trade at all for the rest of the day. We are just waiting now for other opportunities, and now it's already getting late, so I'm going to call the day anyways. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're trading price action, go through the rest of my videos because there's a lot of info in there regarding price action trading. And if there are any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I wish you all a very good day and see you guys in the Discord. Ciao.